Feeling the pinch rising food costs and your wallet. Times are tough. Every trip to the supermarket feels like a new challenge, with prices climbing higher each week. We are all feeling the pinch at the supermarket checkout. The cost of everyday essentials is skyrocketing, making it harder to stick to a budget. Prices are going up, up, up. It's not just a few items, it's across the board. From dairy to grains, everything is more expensive. It seems impossible to keep up. Many of us are forced to make tough choices, often putting items back on the shelf to stay within our means. Fresh fruits and vegetables, once a staple, are becoming a luxury. The high price tags on these nutritious foods are making them less accessible. Families are struggling to put healthy meals on the table. The rising costs are forcing many to opt for cheaper, less nutritious options. It's disheartening to see your hard-earned money disappear so quickly. But don't despair. There are ways to combat these rising costs. There is a solution, and it's closer than you think. Vertical gardening. Growing your own produce at home can help you save money and ensure you have access to fresh, healthy food. Green solution. Vertical gardening to the rescue. Vertical gardening is a revolutionary way to grow your own food, even in limited spaces. Imagine fresh, delicious vegetables right outside your doorstep, grown with your own two hands. Vertical gardening isn't just good for your wallet, it's good for your soul. It's a chance to reconnect with nature, to get your hands dirty, and to watch something beautiful grow. Growing savings. How much can you really save? Let's talk numbers. When you start growing your own food, the savings can be substantial. It's not just about the initial cost, but the long-term benefits that add up over time. A packet of seeds costs a fraction of the price of a head of lettuce from the supermarket. For just a few dollars, you can grow multiple heads of lettuce, providing fresh greens for weeks or even months. And that's just the beginning. The initial investment in seeds and soil pays off as your garden flourishes. Each plant you grow represents a significant saving compared to buying the same produce at the store. Think about the cost of herbs like basil or cilantro. These can be quite expensive when purchased fresh from the store, often costing several dollars for a small bunch. A single plant can provide you with fresh herbs for months, saving you a small fortune in the long run. Imagine having a constant supply of fresh herbs right at your fingertips, enhancing your meals without the extra cost. Growing your own food means fewer trips to the grocery store, less waste, and more money in your pocket. It's a win-win. Not only do you save on the cost of produce, but you also reduce your carbon footprint and enjoy the satisfaction of eating food you've grown yourself. The benefits are endless, from financial savings to improved health and well-being. Section 4. A garden for the mind, sowing seeds of tranquility. But the benefits of vertical gardening go beyond the financial. Studies show that gardening has a profound impact on mental health. The simple act of tending to plants, of nurturing life, can reduce stress and anxiety. Being outdoors, surrounded by greenery, has a calming effect on the mind. And the satisfaction of harvesting your own food? That's priceless. Section 5. Vertical Victory Easy Steps to Your Own Garden. You might be thinking, vertical gardening sounds great, but I don't have a big yard. That's the beauty of it. Vertical gardening is perfect for small spaces. Vertical gardens can be as big or as small as you like. Whether you have a tiny apartment or a spacious backyard, there's a vertical garden solution for you. A small wall, a balcony, even a sunny windowsill can be transformed into a thriving garden. Imagine fresh herbs right outside your kitchen window or vibrant flowers greeting you every morning. You can use recycled materials like pallets or old gutters to create your structure. Not only is this eco-friendly, but it also adds a unique charm to your garden. It's easy, affordable, and incredibly rewarding. Plus, vertical gardens are a fantastic way to grow your own food, save money, and reduce your carbon footprint. So why wait? Start your vertical garden today and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Section 6. Flourish and thrive. Embrace the vertical gardening revolution. So why wait? Join the vertical gardening revolution. It's a chance to take control of your food, your finances, and your well-being. It's a chance to reconnect with nature, to find peace and tranquility in the everyday, and to enjoy the fruits and vegetables of your labor. Start small, experiment, have fun, and watch as your vertical garden flourishes, along with your health and happiness.